Bioinformatics is transforming how we understand life at the molecular level. Whether you're analyzing genomes, predicting drug interactions, or studying protein structures, this field requires a unique blend of skills and experiences to excel. First and foremost, mastering tools like BLAST for sequence alignment or GROMACS for molecular simulations will give you an edge when working with genomic and proteomic data. Familiarity with programming skills is equally important. Proficiency in languages like Python, R, and SQL allows you to process and analyze large datasets. These skills help automate tasks, create custom algorithms, and perform statistical analysis. But it's not just about coding. A strong foundation in statistics and data analysis is crucial for interpreting biological data. Understanding patterns and extracting meaningful insights are key to answering complex biological questions. Collaboration is at the heart of bioinformatics. As an interdisciplinary field, you'll often work with biologists, chemists, and clinicians. Strong communication and teamwork skills are vital for explaining your findings and integrating them with experimental research. And don't forget, gaining visibility in the field is important. Publishing your research in peer-reviewed journals and presenting at international conferences builds your reputation and opens doors for future collaborations. To excel in bioinformatics, combine your technical expertise with problem-solving abilities and never stop learning. Stay curious, keep evolving, and you'll be ready to tackle the most challenging biological problems of the future. Discover, analyze, and innovate with bioinformatics. The future of science is in your hands. To help you achieve this, BDG Life Sciences is offering various programs in the form of technical hands-on workshops, novel research projects, training, and courses, so you can dive deep into the world of bioinformatics and unlock the secrets and excel your career. So, what are you waiting for? Join us.